Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your very first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Martha Kemire and you're watching Atutaka Solutions. On this channel we do tech, business and investment tips with love regardless. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Quotex.com and using Binance Pay. Okay, so I hope these are going to be daily challenges. Okay, whenever I can. I don't want to promise you, but I want to do it. I'll be updating you if I can manage daily. Okay, daily withdraw challenge, withdraw proof, Quotex withdraw proof. Okay, so you just want to sign into your Quotex account, and if you don't have a Quotex account, you can check in the description of this video, and in the comment there's gonna be a link, an official link to the website where you can get a demo account with $10,000 and start practicing. You can also join us on Telegram. The link is still in the description and in the comments of this video. Okay, so that being said, now assuming you've already made some profit and now you want to withdraw. Now if you're a beginner, I do these videos mostly for the beginners, and if it's your very first time, you don't know what this thing is all about, you've seen videos here and there, you don't know whether it's a scam. What some of you come and text me whether it's a scam, is this real, is the thing real? It's real, guys. This is a trading platform, but again, remember, disclaimer: do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Trading is risky. Okay, the market can be volatile, so you want to seek due diligence before you make any investment plan. I am not a financial advisor. These videos I do are for educational purposes only. Okay, without any further ado, if you're a beginner, this is the right place for you, because I go into details, deep details that things that you may need to understand as a beginner. So again, they provide you with a demo where you can always trade and try. Okay, and again, just check me out on my Telegram, send me a message, join the official Telegram channel Atutaka Solutions, and then drop me a message through that link. Okay, and tell me you're from YouTube so I'll know whom I'm addressing. Okay, so this is how you this video is not about how to trade. If you want to learn to trade, you can come directly to my inbox through the Telegram link, but now these videos I'm going to be making for withdrawal proof. Okay, so assuming you've made a little profit, and guys, I'm pro daily withdrawal. Okay guys, for as long as you've made something above the capital you have, then, and the minimum withdrawal for Binance Pay is $10, you can always withdraw $10. Like if you make anything above your capital, if it's 10, if it's 15, if it's 20, discipline and consistency are key. Okay, you don't want to be greedy, and then you want to manage your emotions, you want to manage your finances very well, you want to manage your account. And as you can see, out of the 72, is it 72, 75, 72, 75, I think, yes, I'm going to subtract only 72. I'm going to subtract the capital, which is around 50 or 51, forgotten. Okay, it was around 51. Yeah, so the balance is 22, and that's the profit for that day. Okay, so you want to fill in that. In Binance Pay, you advise you use email if you want to get issues here and there. Then after filling in information, then you can go and check your email for the code, and then after filling it in, it's done. Your request is successfully sent. And guys, Quotex exactly immediately deducts your balance for as long as you place a successful withdrawal. And if it has already been credited, it will go directly. They'll first send you an email. I'll show you the screenshots at the end of this video. They send you an email, and then at the end of the day, that period, it depends on the country you are, but really Binance Pay is the quickest for me, guys. So let me know in the comments what methods do you use. Okay, but Binance Pay is quick, like minutes. Okay, so if you've put in everything correctly. Yes, so for more information, guys, Binance Pay, check out, there's a video specifically that I did. It has all the information concerning Binance Pay, deposit and withdrawals. Check out this video, and yeah, just search Atutaka Solutions, or then go to the videos. I think it's among the popular videos, really. Yeah, so you can check it out. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that. and turn on that notification so you'll be informed whenever a new video pops up. And let me know if you have any questions. Check me out on my Telegram and I'll gladly answer if I'm well acquainted to that. Okay, so that is the proof and day 1 is done. So let's wait for the next day, God willing. Bye.